Good morning, everyone. My name is Desai Kumar. Roll number 20951 A2162. Group Aeronautical, subject chemistry. Designing safer chemicals. Flame retardants. Flame retardants containing bromine compared to chlorine and iodine. Bioabsorptions. Bioabsorptions is one such important phenomenon which is based on one of the 12 principles of green chemistry, that is equals to use of renewable resources. It has gathered a great deal attention in recent years due to a rise in environmental awareness and the sequent severity of legislation regarding the removal temperature green solvent. One of the green solvent is supercritical carbon dioxide. Supercritical carbon dioxide is one of the green solvents is carbon dioxide. Supercritical carbon dioxide refers to carbon dioxide that is in fluid state while also being or above both its critical temperature and pressure, yielding rather uncommon properties. Supercritical carbon dioxide has been used as a processing solvent in polymer applications such as polymer modification, formation of polymer compositions, polymer blending, microcellular forming, particle production, or polymerization. Reactions are formed with CO2. RNH2 plus CO2 leads us to RNHCOH leads us to RNH3 plus RNHCOO minus. RNH2 plus 2H2CO. Biocatalyst. Bleaching is the extraction of specific metals from their ores through the use of microorganisms such as bacteria. This is much cleaner than traditional heap leaching using cyanide in the case of gold extraction. Extraction of gold. This can involve numerous ferrous and sulfur dioxide bacteria such as Acidophobus ferrodioxin. Progress in green chemistry real world classes. Over the past decade, green chemistry has convincingly demonstrated how fundamental scientific methodologies can devised and applied to protect human health and environment in economically beneficial manner. Significant progress has been made in key research areas such as atom economy alternative. The 12 principal green chemistry conducted use renewable feedstock. Energy requirements should be recognized for their environmental and economic impacts should be minimized. Synthetic method should be conducted or at ambient temperature and pressure. Reduce derivatives. A raw material of feedstock should be a renewable rather developing developing. Global recognition of green chemistry. Australia, the Royal Australian Chemical Institute (RACI) present Australia's Green Chemistry Champion Awards. Canada, the Canada Green Chemistry Medal is an annual award given to any individual or group for promotion and development of green chemistry. Italy, green chemistry activities in Italy center on an inter-university consortium concept of green chemistry. Green chemistry as sustainable environmentally begin chemistry is the design of chemical products and processes that reduce or eliminate the use and generation of other substance. As a chemical philosophy, green chemistry applies to organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, biochemistry, analytical chemistry, and physical chemistry. Minimize waste energy. History of green chemistry. In 1990, the Pollution Prevention Act was passed in the United States. This act helped create a modus operandi for dealing with pollution in an original and innovative way. This paved way to the green chemistry concept. Paul Anastas and John Warner coined the two-letter word green chemistry. Chemical disasters. Minamata disease was the first discovered in Minamata city in Japan. It was caused by the release of methyl mercury in the industrial wastewater from chemical factory. 1961, Itoi disease was caused by cadmium poison due